Well, this Tampa man is accused of impersonating a police officer and using a fake police badge to sexually assault several women last year. His name is Gonzalez, and he's now facing several criminal charges. But his attorney says there are serious problems with evidence in the case.
Yeah, Fox 13's Gloria Gomez shows us tonight what his attorney told a Tampa judge first thing this morning.
Prosecutors say this surveillance video shows Gonzalez walking through the Ramada Inn on Northwest Shore Boulevard last February. Investigators say he showed a fake police badge to a woman, pulled her into a stairwell, and exposed himself. Then they say he did it again in July, impersonating a police officer, this time at the Hilton Airport West Shore Hotel. Police say he flashed a gun, a fake badge, questioned the woman about drugs and guns, then sexually assaulted her. He also is connected to another similar attack before he was arrested.
Mr. Gonzalez is present. Jim Amorosa for the record. As the court's aware, we have 4 cases with Mr. Gonzalez, Judge.
Now, months later, Jim Amorosa, who represents Gonzalez, says he plans to challenge some of the evidence.
My private investigator and the defense team have had a chance to go through all of the forensic evidence on the case at this point.
Amorosa says information provided by the accusers just doesn't add up.
Since there's alleged 4 different victims, 4 different cases, 4 different times, and the evidence is starting to show that a lot of their stories are, different than, what the forensic evidence is showing.
For instance, he says some of the accusers had trouble identifying key pieces of evidence, including Gonzalez himself.
Some of those examples being is that witnesses were unable to identify Mr. Gonzalez in a photo lineup. Some of them have made statements of Mr. Gonzalez allegedly having a badge of the impersonation of the law enforcement officer. However, that badge has been described as being different in almost all 4 statements.
Something Amorosa wants to convince the court to throw out before it ever gets to a jury. Gloria Gomez, Fox 13 News.
Now, Gonzalez is charged with sexual battery and also impersonating a police officer. His next court date is set for June 5th.